How to turn on avoid highways on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to avoid highways on Google Maps. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Google Maps app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at top right corner and tap on Settings option. Now scroll down to Navigation Settings by tapping Navigation Settings. Once you have selected and get access to this section, scroll down. Now under Route option, toggle on Avoid Highways button. Now Google Maps will now reroute you around highways, letting you explore at your own pace. So in this way, you can easily turn on Avoid Highways on Google Maps. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.